are you aware of any snoring, or does your sleep partner complain about any
Our
snoring?
spouse, I got a big snore at home.
Yeah.
Ugh.
And so we have that discussion, and we have the discussion that many times snoring leads to a drop in your oxygenation level, and it can be having that periodic drop, which is sleep apnea. I mean, that's what it is. It can be obstructive. It can be central. There are many of us can administer home sleep tests and get them read by a certified sleep technician. We're not trying to interpret all the data.
Of course.
But there are treatments that we can offer for mild to moderate cases that can be very effective and less obtrusive than, say, a CPAP.
Yeah, because those can be a lot.
That's a lot.